I got nothing except a Coke and a bag to open. Hey friends, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Becca, and in today's video, we're going to open the September 2020 Creative Notions bag. All right, before we dive in, two things. Thing number one, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, would you please consider hitting that little red subscribe word down below? Subscribing costs nothing from you, but it means the world to me, and it's going to help me reach my goal of 10,000 subscribers. Don't worry, there's something in it for you too. Every time I hit 1,000 subscribers between now and 10,000, we're going to do a little giveaway. Okay, before we dive in, I do want to let you know that this month I got the bag for free. Vicky reached out to me and let me know that she really wanted to thank me for the videos that I have been posting for Creative Notions, and she wanted to give me the bag for free. So I didn't pay anything for this bag, but if I would have paid this month, the price for the subscription is $47.95 each month, and that does include your shipping within the US. Even though I got the bag for free, the opinions that I share with you will be completely my own. All right, let's dive in and see what we got. All of Vicky's bags come in a nice drawstring bag. This month is no exception, and we've got a very sweet blue drawstring bag. Let's go ahead and dive into the contents and see what we got. All right, I'm just going to pull everything out, which is going to give you guys a bit of a sneak peek. All right, here is our loot pile. Let's just set this aside and we'll go through the items one by one. The first thing that we have is a little brochure that just tells us about the items that are in the bag this month. And on the inside, it lists out all of the contents, their retail value, and then it has some information about the Dotty Sampler Sew Along, which you guys know it's a Block of the Month program that Creative Notions is hosting, and each month there are 2 videos that are getting released. The one thing that I do notice on the front of the cover is they've got a list of project winners right off the bat. So September, the contest winner for the recipes is Joyce Wilcox. The project winner has 2. It's Deb Mercifer and Linda Clark. So congratulations to all 3 of you. The first item that we've got is a stationery-like item. This is a pack of fabric stickers. There are 100 in this pack. Each sheet actually looks exactly the same. There is a pen included here. This is what the sheet of stickers look like. The entire package retails for $8, and the pamphlet says that the adhesive on the back of these stickers won't leave a sticky residue on your fabrics. So you can mark your fabric on these stickers, stick them to the fabric, you're good to go. This sewing notion retails for $8, and I actually kind of really appreciate this. This is cool. The next thing that we have is another sewing notion, and I'm just going to go ahead and open this up so we can see it a little bit better on camera. We've got a cute little sticker that says "Sewing makes me happy." This is going to go on my sticker wall right over there. We've got a business card for I See Stars. We've got 2 copies of a flyer for a free pattern from I See Stars. And underneath my finger down here, I'm actually hiding the website where you'll get those patterns. So those are for subscribers only. You can't have that. The actual notion from the package is this sheet, and it kind of looks like this. There's a website on the business card that has a link to a video for how to install and use this. I don't know how to use it right now. I'm thinking it's probably similar in some way to a cross between the diagonal seam tape from Cluck Cluck Sew, as well as Lori Holt's like seam guide things that she tapes to her machines. I don't know. This package, the free pattern, the sticker sheet, and this cute little sticker retails for $6.99. Vicky always tries to put some complimentary things in there, and this month is no different. This month, our complimentary items are a coupon code for 15% off any of the items in her shop, www.creativenotionsquiltshop.com, a piece of Werther's Original Candy, and a recipe card for fresh apple cake with caramel sauce. And this is the recipe from Joyce Wilcox, who was the recipe winner this month. Ooh, candy. Yum. I love caramel. Ah! Got another caramel. Oh, sad. I wish there were more. Honestly, she just could have sent me a whole bag of those candies and I would have been completely happy. All right, next up, is one more notion. We have a little ruler template. It is by Quilt in a Day. This is a flying geese template, and so what you basically do is you put your block under this ruler, line these lines up on those seams for your flying geese, and then you can trim around all four sides, and you'll have a perfect flying goose. Geese. Geeses? Gooses? Whatever. This is an Eleanor Burns template, and they're not cheap, but they're good quality. It retails for $11.95. The next item that we have is a spool of Aurifil thread in 40 weight, which I really appreciate because normally in a quilting box, we get 50 weight. And so this spool of thread is color number 2312. It is 40 weight. It is a small spool that only has, I think, 169 yards in it or something like that. That's not bad though. This will quilt a small project, but it's probably not going to be enough thread to quilt a large project. This spool of thread is listed as retailing for $5.69. Next item that we have is some words. We've got welcome and fall. 2 words here to adhere to your project. These are vinyl backed words. No ironing is needed. Stitching is not necessary, but can be added if desired. And this little package of words retails for $10. All right, this month we have got 2 patterns from Creative Notions in our little pattern package. We've got a flying geese quilt called In Formation, and we've got a wall hanging called Welcome Fall. Let's take a look at each of these. Both of these patterns are printed on 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. They're easy to read. They've got a good font, full color illustrations, and should be very easy to put together. And they're both going to use the flying geese template that we got. So we're going to put this to some good use. This pattern In Formation will measure 54 inches by 57 inches and retails for $9. And this pattern called Welcome Fall Wall Hanging is where you're going to use that Welcome Fall vinyl backed lettering. And the quilt is going to measure 37 inches by 37 inches. And this one retails for $5. So $14 worth of patterns. All right, now we've got our pamphlet, which has 2 of the blocks for the Block of the Month program for the Dotty Sampler. This is Creative Notions Block of the Month program that's running from July through December. These patterns are printed on really heavyweight paper. The font is nice and big and easy to read, and you've got full color illustrations for both of them. And there are 2 block patterns in here. The first one up is the economy block, and then the second one up is the Old Maids puzzle block. Each of these patterns will have a YouTube video accompanying them in the month of October. This block, which is the economy block of the month, is going to have a video tutorial by Teresa Louise sometime in the 1st or 2nd week of October. So I'll put her channel link in the description box below so you can hop over and check that out. And then this block, which is the Old Maids puzzle block, is going to have a video tutorial by Kristen with hand-tossed crafts the 3rd or 4th week of October. And I'll put her channel link in the description box below so you can check that out too. The patterns for both of these blocks are retailed at $5 for the whole package. So 2 block patterns, each at $2.50 for a total value of $5. The last thing in the box is our fabric. I always save the fabric for the end because this is my favorite part of any subscription box. What quilter doesn't like getting fabric every month? This month we have an 8-piece fat quarter bundle featuring the Seeds of Gratitude line by Susan Wigette for Wyndham Fabrics. This 8-piece fat quarter bundle retails for $25, which means the unit price of each fat quarter is $3.13. This isn't really my favorite line of fabric because I'm not a fall person, but there's a couple prints in here that I really like. If I had to pull a couple out that I absolutely would do something with, it would probably be this blue and this Argyle print. I really like those. And if I was going to do that, I actually might pull out this other blender. Might use those. The rest of these, not a big Thanksgiving person, so I don't know if I'll use them. The retail value of all of the items that we got this month is $86.63. Given that we only paid $47.95 for the items, there's definitely some value to be had here. If you want to jump on board and get this box, you can hop over to creativenotionsquiltshop.com. All the details for how you can sign up are going to be in the description box below. That's everything I've got for you guys. Thank you so much for diving into this package with me. I hope you'll consider subscribing, sticking around. I go live every Friday night at 9 p.m. where I try to do a project from start to finish, and I would love a chance to sew along with you. I'll see you guys later. Bye.